this is the Anycubic Kobra 3. I'm going to talk about purge settings. So purge settings is a thing so that when it changes color, it purges X amount of filament. And these are 3 options, just an easy thing to see. This one was 0.1, this one was 0.3, and this one was 0.5. Even at 0.5, it's probably still not enough, as you can still see the excess wipe colors in there and in there. I'll show you the model on how I colored it first. This is the model. I colored it black on the bottom, gray there, gray on the inside, orange on those little pegs, and then the multicolor was the top layer here. So the top layer shouldn't have been bleeding through, but because it's such a thin piece of black, and if we get rid of that, it's only just bleeding through because 0.5 was not quite enough to purge all of it. So yeah, it's kind of interesting to see at 0.3, definitely didn't purge everything. And didn't even get orange here. Like basically you've got no orange here. I think it's all in the top part. And this is the 0.1. You can see the orange and black. And the multicolor is all through there, all through the sides. Black is all through the sides. 0 orange. Looks like it's all in here, which I didn't paint orange either. So yeah, kind of an interesting test. So like, again, this is the 0.1 purge, 0.3, and then 0.5 millimeters. So it did actually do the nice little top layer as multicolor, but it still got bleed through there. So I'm thinking 0.5, 0.6 is probably better for my printing results, because you can still see the slightest amount of multicolor through here as well. But yeah, the rest of it looks okay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, if I can say subscribe. Yep. Bye bye now.